AlarmaBici.com. We are the first online shop that sells alarms and security for bicycles. The alarm with remote control is active with movement sensor. To start the alarm, you just need to click the first button of the remote. Now the alarm, it's on. With an aggressive movement, the alarm will be active. You can switch off the alarm clicking the second button of the remote. Then the alarm will be deactivated. Remember that any question can be answered in our page online or the social networks. If you want more information, you have our mail info@AlarmaBici.com.